Hi, my name is Sam, and in this video we are going to go over how you add a user to your Google Business profile. So to add a user to your Google Business profile, you need to follow these steps. First, go to your business profile. There are two main ways to get there. One, if you are logged into your Google account or a Google account that has access to the business profile, you can simply search for the business's name, and then you should see the menu pop up here in the actual search results. The other way would be if you go to business.google.com, and from here, again, being signed into a Google account, you can then navigate to your Google profile, assuming, again, this account has access to that Google profile. Once you get to this screen, there are the three dots up here. This is a menu. If you click on this, then you will click on Business Profile Settings. Within Business Profile Settings, you have People and Access. Click on that. And then within People and Access, you can add or remove whoever has access to the profile. There will be a owner and managers. There's a primary owner. There can be other owners as well. When you click Add, it will give you the option to type in an email. I'll put in one of my emails here. And then you need to select what type of access. Basically, owners can add other people and transfer ownership. Managers cannot add people. They can only remove themselves and then make edits to the business profile. In this case, I will invite myself as a manager. Click the blue invite button. When I click that, it is going to send an invitation email to that email address, and that will look like this. So I'm going to get an email. It says Brett's Media invited you to manage Whiskey SEO. I then can click accept, and then this is going to bring me to a screen where I am confirming that I want to accept and become a manager. Click accept there, and now this profile has access to edit the profile. Now this is only a manager, so again, if we were to come here under a manager account, you can see the different people that are here. You can see my profile. I can remove myself. I can stop managing, but I cannot add myself at all. So that is how you add a user to your Google Business profile.